Hello. Okay, so here we are for Mel W's scrapping, taking part in my first YouTube hop. So Mel W Scrapping is celebrating 500 subscribers. Please hop on over to hers. Links in the bottom. Links in the links below. Sorry. I am scrap lifting a layout that Mel did about 12 months ago, 6 to 12 months ago, I can't remember exactly now, but I went back through to do something that's been, you know, a little bit older, less recent, to scrap lift of hers, and so I've chosen this layout. So I've got my picture and using Where to Next from Vicki Boutin. I've chosen this cloud paper because these pictures are from Southport Air Show last year. Most of the family went. It was a really lovely day out. So I had my oldest sister, her husband, 2 daughters and grandson. The oldest daughter, her partner and his daughter, so my step niece, and then my younger brother and 2 of his girls came, and me and Mr. Ding. Oh, and my sister's mother-in-law as well was with us. So we had a really lovely day, and I just thought, because it's the air show, this cloud paper was really fitting. The photo is me and Mr. Ding doing our Genuinely Happy to Be Here, which started in Scotland a couple of years ago with Mr. Ding. I'm trying to take a picture of Mr. Ding at breakfast with Loch Ness behind him, because we had a lovely hotel that was on the banks of Loch Ness, and I was trying to get a picture of him with Loch Ness behind him, and he wasn't playing, and he has since told me that's because he was trying to eat his breakfast, which was why he wasn't too keen on me taking a picture. And so yeah, so I said to him, you know, look happy to be here, and he, you know, was a bit of a miserable smile. I said, look genuinely happy to be here. And then he did this, threw his arms up in the air. So since then, it's kind of become a thing. Whenever we go anywhere, we do Genuinely Happy to Be Here. And I've got photos with friends doing it with us. So it's kind of become our thing. So when my niece was taking these pictures of us at the air show, we had to do a Genuinely Happy to Be Here. So yeah, that's what the photo is. Just cutting a mat of white card. I'm doing it about 1/4 inch bigger than the photo. I was going to just do it 1/8 bigger and have a really thin board around it, but I've decided to go a bit bigger with it. So on Mel's layout, she's double matted the photo, so I thought I've got this blue, so I do that, and then there's 4 panels of varying width over this side. I might change my mind and do a white background and just have this as one of the panels. Don't know yet, I might end up doing that. So this is currently the full 12 inches, isn't it? So I want this 6.5 inches, so I'm just going to cut 5.5 off one end, which will leave me with 6.5 that end, without me having to faff about getting the arm out on the trimmer. So I can double mat the pictures. So I've done the photos on a collage app, so I've got a really old program for PC, desktop PC app. It's called Picasso. It's from Google. They don't like do updates on it anymore or do the backup of your albums anymore with it, but it's just really handy to use as a library. Yeah, I think I am actually going to go white background and then just use this as the biggest panel. Let me just get that. Okay, so this is Basil and it's Avalanche. Just take the branding strip off. I haven't actually looked when the Southport Air Show is this year. If you are in the northwest of England, or you know, it's not too difficult to get to, it is well worth visit Southport Air Show. It happens over the beach at Southport, so they close a lot of Marine Drive, and they've got like vendors down Marine Drive. They've got the Navy there, the Air Force is there, and they have lots of different displays on. So last year there was there's a Air Force from Korea, their version of Red Arrows basically, and they were really good. There was the Red Arrows, they had the Typhoons up. They did a display where the Typhoon actually flew with the Battle of Britain flight. So you've got the South Lancaster and Spitfire and Hurricane going full out with this Typhoon trying to throttle back. Yeah, it was struggling trying to stay slow enough and not fall out of the sky. And the old World War II aircraft were really going full throttle to try and keep up as well. I wanted that to be a bit longer, but it doesn't matter, it looks okay. I'm probably going to ink the edges of these. Actually, to be honest, I should have done that with that as well. Just going to have a look at what's on the words on the back, because I might yeah, that's okay. I think there's enough on there for me to I think I'll probably do 3 strips of words. I can't remember what length that was. What have I cut off? Got a 5.5, so it's going to be 6.5. I'm gonna leave it longer this time. So I want this to be 7, so I'm going to cut off 5. So this is my waist and that's me 7 inches to use on the paper. So we pre-booked parking as well, which was handy. I'm going to use a strip of that as well. And I know you've got the clouds there, but this is, you know, slightly different, isn't it? And then we need another piece up there of something else. Let's have a look. I'm thinking yellow because we've got yellow in the words. Yeah. We'll do yellow. And I'm just doing random widths. Oh, this is 8, isn't it? So I need to take one off to make it 7 long. Okay. Yeah. Okay, liking this. It's not straight yet. It's nowhere near straight. Where did I throw the ruler? So that's going to go there. This is just to give me an idea for everything else. I probably should stick all this down first before I do the other stuff. Yeah, because I've just messed it up, haven't I? Okay. And there's a square here and a square here. So there's tuckies and embellishments here as a title. I'm thinking that I'm just thinking where my journaling's going. Could maybe write it in a cloud. This is one of many pictures from the air show. So a lot of the journal is going to be on the other layouts for you know where we are, what we're doing. So I don't need to be too precious about a lot of detail in the journaling on this. Is that too far over if I do it there? No, actually. Yeah, so I'm going to do that there. I forgot where I said there was then. Was it 1/2 inch? Yeah. Okay. I was going to distress the edges, wasn't I? Where's my distressing tool gone actually? Now I'm thinking about distressing the edges. Let's see. Oh, I meant to put that on the paper fox layout. Oh, you know, from my last video. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take that down. Okay, so instead of making you sitting and watching all the distressing, I've got all that done and got things stuck down. So the strips are stuck down now. I'm gonna raise up the picture on some foam pads. I'm not putting the foam pads all the way to the edge so that I can get things tucked under. And also you'll see I've backed it on a piece of navy blue cardstock just to, I just felt it needed it, so I've done that. I was actually going to put it all on the navy blue, but I've decided I like the white. So that's my panels, and then on here there's a big square bit there, big square bit there. I might do some frames actually. I might do frames because there's no frames in this, is there? Oh, wait a minute, let me have a look in my hip kit or pink fresh boxes. See if there's anything. Because Pink Fresh always have loads of frames, don't they? Here we go. Life Right Now. I've got frames in Life Right Now. These blue ones will work. Oh. So, things you do to make them fit. So I'm going to put that there. And see, I like that Best Day, but not really fitting. How about that? Or a bigger one. Does that go? Oh look, it's quite close to that, isn't it? So that's not that far off from that A. Actually might go under there like that. Oh, knocking everything off. Okay, this is going to need to go further up. There we go. Like that. I like that. Stay on the sunny side. I'm going to use that. Right, I'm going to use that. I might not use it, but we're going to pop it there for now. I'm wondering if a flare will go in there. Collecting memories. Just to bring in some other colours. Right, I need title. And we could do today was fun. No, captured. Let's do captured because we've got it's pictures of us being daft. when he's taking pictures of us being daft. So we'll go captured. Like that. Okay. Okay, so on the sketch, there's, but I can push it around this corner, around that corner, and along the bottom. Not the sketch, sorry, the layout I'm lifting. I'm liking that flare there, so let's see what else we've got. Have I got more than one of the fabric ones left? Yes, I do. Wait, I might not use that one. Collect moments, not things. I like that. And then I've got, it's just so that I've got like a pink and a peach. I just wanted something yellow. These are Hey Little Magpie flare that Sarah's designed to coordinate with this collection, and she's done other flare to coordinate with other collections as well, and these labels, and you can push them out. You can put the epoxy on as well, make your own epoxy flare. Probably put my journal in here. Just gonna have a look at some bits, some cookies and things. I'm actually really liking that like that. Oh. So it gets to this point when I'm like, I really like that and I don't think I need any more, but then I put more on and I'm like, oh, I love that. So yeah, I did need more. I think instead of it coming up, no, it does need to come up, not from the side. Might not use that. You don't know what I'm doing. All my embellishments. See, we need that to go the other way. See, that is related to the story because it's a genuinely happy to be here, trying to take a picture of him. Okay, so this is pre-printed from Sarah. A yellow tab up there. Now what I do need to do is check if these fit in the Heidi swap. I need to look into that, but not on a mid video. Okay, so I'm going to do this label. Now, okay, touch of yellow up there. Yeah, I'm going to stick these flare down and I'm going to call that done. Still can't do journaling because I still can't see properly. Side effects from my new meds. So once my eyesight comes back properly and I can see things that are close up again, shouldn't be long now, I will pop some journaling on. But apart from that, I've put that label down too far. Just a minute, let's do this. But apart from that, I'm calling this one done. If I can get that to stick. And I'm going to put this one on the foam pad because it's going over the photo. So we'll have one of these for it. Oops. Took too much off. So I'm not faffing about sticking them back in the box. Let me just stick these on corners on the because it's going to be a faff getting them back on, stick on the roll. There we go. I'll just put it like that. Okay. Just needs the journaling. But we are going to call that done. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to call that done. I'm going to put this back in its box. Okay, don't forget to check out the others in the hop. Thanks for watching. Bye.